Hello friends, so once again welcome back on this YouTube channel. So this time we are about to install a ViperFX audio mod on our Android 12 custom ROM devices. So this is the device, and here cheishOS Android 12 running on this Asus Max Pro M1 device that you can see here. And one important thing is that the magisk must be installed on the device. So let's open the magisk app, then click on this button and search for Viper Audio. So we have three modes available here. Now let's select Viper for Android FX, and you can see the two options. So click on install and wait till download complete. And once the download complete, the module will install itself, that you can see. Now the device will reboot. Now back again. So here we have a Viper icon. So here let's open it. That is asking for driver installation. So let's tap OK, and let's allow the super user permission, and the driver installation will begin. The device will reboot once again to take the effect. Now wait, and here we are back again. So let's open the Viper app. It's not yet running, so let's tap on the settings icon on this corner, and here we have options. So we have to toggle the legacy mode on. Now we can see the Viper icon on the status bar. That means the drivers are installed, and let's check the driver status here. So it is activated and the neon is enabled also, and all the things are also good. So let's check the headset correction file whether it is available or not. So in this option here in a Viper DDC section, we can see the files are available, and we can select any of these files and the correction file that are available here, and we can select it and activate also. So this is also working. So this is how we can install the Viper for audio on our Android 12 devices, and this process will work on most of the Android 12 custom ROM running devices. So you can try this process and check whether it is running or not. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it.